Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aviator Updates. This is Rakesh Negi and I am an aviation enthusiast. Today we are going to discuss about the evacuation command or how to activate the evacuation command in Airbus 320. So to activate the evacuation command, there is a panel in the overhead panel of Airbus 320. You can see on the screen, this is the overhead panel for Airbus 320 and this is basically a layout. As you can see here we are having the evac panel. So I'll just enlarge this is on the captain side. So this is the captain side, this is the central part, and this is the first officer side. So on the captain side, I'm enlarging this panel. So the evac panel is on 21 VU. Just above the emergency electrical power panel it is mounted, and below the flight control panel. Flight control panel is on 23 VU. So below this it is mounted here. So on this evac panel, what all things do we have? So here on the evac panel, we are having a command button, a horn shut off button, and a switch which is having captain purser and captain positions. So let's first start with the command push button. So this button is guarded. What happens if you lift this guard and press this button? So when you lift this guard, red guard, and press this button, that means if you set it to on, this evac light will lit red and it will flash, and simultaneously a horn will sound according to the aircraft configuration. So what to note here is, on setting this button to on, evac light will flash and a horn will sound, means visual and oral alert will be there, and simultaneously in the cabin also evac light will flash on both the forward and aft attendant panels, and also an oral tone will be there for the evac. Next, what is the purpose of this horn shut off? Purpose of this is to shut off the horn, evac horn, in the cockpit only. Next, this switch, captain and purser and captain switch. Suppose you have set this switch to captain position. This means that you can activate the evac command only from the cockpit. And if you have set this switch to captain and purser, it means that the evac command can be activated either from the cockpit or from the cabin. I hope you are clear with the purpose of this panel called as evac panel, which is there on the 21 VU in the overhead panel of Airbus 320. So I'll come up again with a new topic in the next session. Till then, enjoy learning, friends. Bye bye.